Yeah, kids. So, welcome back to another episode of Application Review. This is the first episode in 3 months, and, yeah. So, I'm here in Windows NT 3.51. As you can see, very cool, very cool. Now, if you're wondering, like, this just doesn't look like, anything previously, like, you don't start out in VirtualBox or anything. Well, that's because I'm actually using 86box. Yeah, so if you haven't seen that community post, which you totally should, not only am I only going to be uploading weekly, like, probably until I, get all this work cleared up, but also because, I announced that I'm switching away from VirtualBox. So, yeah, I hate to say it, but I hate to break the bad news, but VirtualBox tutorials have officially been discontinued, and will, no longer, and no new VirtualBox tutorials will be made. Yeah, that is extremely sad, but hey, it had to be done. It had to be done. So, anyways, yeah. So I'm here in Windows NT 3.51. Yep. And again, this is on 86box, and I use KeyMove for Windows 2000 later here, so yeah. Anyways, so I'm here on 86box, and yeah, once again, just expect to see those emulators in future videos. So yeah, if you're wondering why the fuck did you even switch away from VirtualBox in the first place, well, first of all, I don't really like supporting big corporations. Which is very ironic because I have an Apple device. I have three. I have 3 Apple devices, all of which, 2 of which I use daily. So, I already kind of broke that promise, but whatever. Rather, I'm trying to switch away from the other big corporations, like the... So, like, I don't know, I have like, I'm using Linux, right? I use Waterfox, I use Startpage as my search engine, and now I'm switching away from Oracle, just to, go to here. Also, I feel like these will be a lot more accurate at, depicting an old computer from 1995, so, yeah. So, anyways, tangent aside, side tangent aside, we will now get into the meat of this video. So this is Windows NT 3.51, and this was released in May of 1995, right? But you know what was in development in May 1995? Windows 95, that's right. It was in the May test release phase, it was getting ready for launch, and yeah. So, NT 3.51, when it released, it still had the program manager. The program manager interface, which so if you were an NT 3.51 user back in the day and you wanted to demo, the new interface of Windows 95, this was your way to do it. I actually got to talk about this in the latest episode of That One Fan Talks, which is episode 7. So yeah, very cool, very cool. I would say put a link in the card, but I always forget to put links in the cards. So not sure if I can do that. Whatever, you can just find it on YouTube. If you search if you go to my channel, go to videos, I'm sure you can find it, okay? It's about Windows NT 4.0. Okay, tangent aside. This, the WinRAR, which I got this ISO from, well, really, it wasn't ISO, it was a thing that the application that I put on an ISO. It said, like, that this was a beta, a demo for the upcoming NT 4.0. Upcoming, quote-unquote, which could not be further from the truth. NT 4.0 wasn't even development in like, May 1995 when this was, coming out. Yeah, I'm sorry. That couldn't be further from the truth. This was just a demo for Windows 95's interface, not NT4's. So, yeah. This was also, distributed through like, Contribute server and stuff. So we're gonna start the ISO. So let's go to File Manager here, and let's go to D here, D, and I got NewShell here, NewShell. So let's see. You gotta run shupdate, or sh update, shell update, but shupdate. Right. Notes on using shell technology preview with Windows NT 3.51. I'm just gonna minimize all these. This preview is intended to enable. Yep. Okay. Whatever. Yeah, I believe this was distributed through CompuServe, I think. Yes, of course. I'm pretty sure you run a script to reverse it. And yes, this is the first version from May 1995. There was another version. There was a second version from August 95. Often referred to as NewShell 2. So, yeah. Anyways, also I've always called it NewShell, but its full legal name technically is Shell Technology Preview. So yeah, the shell press Y to reboot. So we got to reboot. Very cool. Very cool. Yeah, say goodbye to that VirtualBox logo. Am I right, people? And say hello to this very screen. I mean, this machine with this BIOS is what I use all the time for, this kind of stuff. Bootloader 3.51. Oh, it says version 4.0. Even says it on the boot screen. I know it said version 4.0, but the fact that it says it on the boot screen too is actually pretty cool. So it changes its version to 4.0 to kind of match up with Windows 95. Okay, there we go. So, okay. Yeah, I'm sorry for that. It's a very delayed startup sound, but, yeah. Here we are. This is it, NewShell. So if you go to Start, it just says Windows NT Explorer. So yeah, here's it is, our pre-Windows NT 4.0. Yeah. So, we can go to Explorer here. We can, see this, right? And yep, we got those very nice, very nice buttons. It says Windows NT Explorer on the side. You can boot up, Paintbrush. Oh yeah. Nope. Let's see. Well, yeah, there's not really much to talk about here. It's just the interface from Windows 95, but it's on Windows NT 3.51. So technically, this was the public's first, try of Windows 95's interface. This was 3 months before Windows 95 hit shelved, so, yeah. Yeah, we can just literally access everything from here. What else we got? We got, I don't know, like, calculator? No, it's still the old 3.1 style calculator. Notepad. Oh yeah, this looks like a 95's notepad. I guess it's just backported to NT 3.51. Hello. This is NewShell. No. But, yeah, this is literally just Windows 95's interface. There's not much to talk about here. Except the uninstallation process. So, I don't know why I'm booting up calculator again. So, what you gotta do, you gotta go to here, accessories. Well, no, you gotta go to, main, command prompt, right? So, you go to, D, NewShell, so just go here, no, D new, just gotta go D, CD, NewShell, because it's repeated twice, and dir. So we gotta run shupdate. It's sh update, but I always pronounce it shupdate. Shupdate dot. Pretty sure you just run shupdate, and you gotta use /u. Uninstall. This program will modify system critical files in current Windows NT installation. Yes. So installed, and now we just need to. And now we just need to reboot. There we are. We're back to version 3.51. So yeah, now we're back to how things were originally. So yeah, very cool. So I want to thank you all for watching this video, very cool video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.